As part of the International Islamic University Malaysia initiative on sustainability, this webinar series has been launched today. I was invited as a keynote speaker to give an idea about UNESCO programs. How do we bring the interdisciplinary as well as the transdisciplinary approaches to solve the wicked problems? The wicked problems like managing water, for example, managing climate change, for example. I highlighted that these wicked problems need to be looked from different angles through a multi-stakeholder approach. We also need to very carefully bring the dimensions which are social sciences, natural sciences, the ideas from spirituality. That's where there are very important aspects of work which International Islamic University of Malaysia is doing. The rector spoke about some of the initiatives which are between faculties and the very important work which is being done by the students in the context of COVID. I highlighted to solve these big issues, SDGs provide a wonderful framework where we are looking into big challenges like solving the issues of poverty, issues related to hunger, issues related to water security, climate change, the challenges which are about biodiversity in the ocean or above the land, and how do we make sure there is good governance systems. In that regard, UNESCO sites, the sites which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, UNESCO Biosphere Reserve under the Managed Biosphere Program, the international initiatives which are linking different aspects of science, such as very importantly open science and UNESCO Global Geoparks, all of them can play a very important role. In Malaysia, we have Langkawi Global Geopark, which is a model for sustainable development. Tasik Chini, very important biosphere reserve under the MAP program. And of course, Georgetown, an excellent example under the World Heritage Sites. So, how academia can work closely with the government and also with the businesses? How can we promote innovation? And in the process, the knowledge which can underpin sustainable policies which can help solve the problems at different levels. We need to have top down approaches where we have the different frameworks like the SDGs, like this Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction, the Paris Agreement setting clear targets and indicators, but also bottom up approaches where we can look into localizing SDGs. And that's where the transdisciplinary knowledge is critical. UNESCO programs in natural sciences, such as the International Hydrological Program, the Man and Biosphere Program, UNESCO Global Geopark Program, and of course, World Heritage Sites. Also, very importantly, managing social transformations and bringing the knowledge of inclusive policies, all of them very critical and important. The work we have done under the Malaysia UNESCO Cooperation Program and what we are doing under the Sustainability Insights series, that can be very interesting, which brings all disciplines of UNESCO, all the mandates of UNESCO, education, science, communication, information, culture, social and human sciences. So all those areas can carefully be looked into. How can we bring those transdisciplinary approaches? So I congratulate the organizers for this timely series and the way they are looking into big challenges such as water management is very commendable. And we look forward to working closely with IIUM and following this series and to linking with all colleagues who are doing excellent work by bringing these different approaches together.